addressing the panel, it is a topic that doesn't make the headlines, but it is basic to the orientation of society and the communication between people. Are we a victim of two cultures that do not communicate? The culture of the exact sciences and the culture of the social sciences and the humanities. Each side thinks highly of itself and denigrates the other as not contributing very much to social construction.
The problem comes from schools. They think that they're offered at school to read, especially in Arabic, which is the mother tongue of younger people in Egypt here, is not good enough. One of the things, for instance, you have a country in which somebody like Naguib Mahfouz got the Nobel Prize. In the curriculum of Arabic from all schools in Egypt does not have any writings from Naguib Mahfouz. Doesn't have anything from Yusuf Idris, doesn't have anything from Yusuf Sibai, doesn't have anything. So all the known novelists and writers and so on, Ihsam Abdul, you don't have any, they don't read anything of this in school. Syllabus, the curriculum should have novels in Arabic of your best writers, or novels or short stories in Arabic of your best writers. This doesn't happen. If you look at the English curriculum, you have Pride and Prejudice, you have Shakespeare, but in the Arabic curriculum you don't have good novels. And so the younger generation are no good short stories. The younger generation grew up with the boring short stories, boring books, and they lose interest in reading. And since they don't read in Arabic, they probably will not read in English. Although some of them who learn better English, they read in English more.
Can you give me a little?
I think the talk was really inspiring. Dr. Shaarawi is one of a kind. You don't really meet professors like him every day. He's such a great personality and a great teacher. I've been inspired about how he says that he didn't find difficulties between the word of science and literature. I've been reading his book. He's a great author and a great scientist as well.